Hello, we've been studying the volcano, and these are the parts of the volcano. We have these right here, which are the side vents. This is called a conduit. It's where the magma comes and shoots out of. Down here is the magma chamber, and down here we have the magma. When it reaches the top here and flows out, it becomes lava. This back here is we're gonna put the solution, which is distilled vinegar, inside this tube here, and it's gonna cause a reaction inside with the water and the baking soda, which causes the lava. And it'll be an explosion.
The chemical reaction includes baking soda, vinegar, and colored water for effect.
I think it's gonna fizzle out of the top.
I think it may just flow out through the sides of a vent, maybe.
And I think it's going to shoot all the way up to the ceiling.
Hi, so this is the volcano, and this is the reaction that happened was with the distilled vinegar and the baking soda in the water, and it caused a reaction causing it to bubble over and simulate a volcanic eruption. And this is the lava flowing all over the place.